Ever wondered about the history and traditions of Carnival or Pancake Day? Well, you've come to the right place. Carnival, a time of revelry and merrymaking, is celebrated in many corners of the world, from the vibrant Rio Carnival in Brazil to the colorful parades of Trinidad and Tobago. This festive occasion is deeply rooted in Christian traditions, marking the period before the solemn season of Lent. It's a time for indulgence before the fasting and penance begin. On the other hand, we have Pancake Day, also known as Shrove Tuesday. Particularly celebrated in countries like the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, this day is synonymous with families coming together to enjoy stacks of delicious pancakes before the onset of Lent. But what's the history behind these traditions? What makes Carnival and Pancake Day so special and widely celebrated? Stick around as we delve deeper into the vibrant and indulgent traditions of Carnival and Pancake Day. Carnival, a time of revelry and merrymaking, has a history deeply rooted in Christian traditions. Stretching back hundreds of years, it marks the period before the solemn season of Lent, a time of fasting and penance. Carnival is that final hurrah before 40 days of abstinence begins, a moment of indulgence and merriment. The term carnival itself is believed to have interesting roots. It's thought to come from the Latin phrase carneval, which translates to farewell to meat. This name reflects the tradition of enjoying rich, meaty meals before Lent's stringent dietary restrictions kick in. Our journey through the history of Carnival takes us across the globe. Imagine the vibrant, pulsating energy of Brazil's Rio Carnival, famous for its elaborate costumes and samba dancing. Then, let's jet off to the colorful parades of Trinidad and Tobago, where steel pan music reverberates through the air and intricate floats parade down the streets. But Carnival isn't restricted to these locations. It's celebrated in various forms worldwide, each with its unique traditions and customs, but all sharing a common thread of joy and indulgence. But it's not just about indulgence. Carnival is also about community and creativity. It's a time when people come together, expressing themselves through music, dance, and artistry. From the vibrantly decorated floats to the rhythm-infused music, Carnival is a showcase of cultural richness and creativity. Now, on to the sweet side of things. Ever wondered why pancakes are synonymous with Shrove Tuesday? Pancake Day, as it's known in the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, has a history as rich and indulgent as the pancakes themselves. This delightful tradition is rooted in practicality. In the days leading up to Lent, a period of fasting and penance in Christian traditions, households would find themselves with surplus ingredients. Ingredients like eggs, milk, and sugar were luxuries that couldn't be consumed during the 40 days of Lent. And so a solution was born. Why not combine these ingredients and create something delicious? Pancakes, with their simple recipe yet satisfying taste, were the perfect answer. This practice of cooking pancakes on Shrove Tuesday became so ingrained in these cultures that the day itself took on the name Pancake Day. Fast forward to the present day, Pancake Day has taken on a life of its own. It's not just about using up ingredients anymore. It's about families and friends gathering to enjoy stacks of delicious pancakes. It's about flipping contests and the joy of sharing a meal. In essence, Pancake Day is a celebration of togetherness, of indulgence, and of heritage. So whether you're savoring a stack of pancakes or dancing in the streets, these traditions remind us to embrace life's pleasures. Carnival and Pancake Day are more than just celebrations, they're a testament to our rich cultural heritage. These festivities, deeply rooted in history, remind us of the importance of indulgence, community, creativity, and most importantly, unity. They beautifully illustrate how our ancestors marked time and how we continue to honor these traditions today. Carnival, with its vibrant costumes, energetic dances, and festive parades, showcases the human spirit's capacity for joy and celebration. On the other hand, Pancake Day is a sweet reminder of the importance of family, tradition, and of course, a good meal. These cultural celebrations are more than just dates on a calendar. They're an opportunity for us to come together, to learn from each other, to share in the joy of living. They allow us to experience the richness of our diverse world, one celebration at a time. Until next time, keep exploring the diverse traditions that make our world so vibrant. Happy celebrating.